Thank you. It doesn't matter if it's the cars at the end.
Shannon Swafford out front, 6/10 ahead of Tim Massey last time by. That looks to be a little bit close as they start to push a little bit more. SLs and Will Campbell currently running in the 3. Sergio in the 4, Jordan in the 5.
Believe me, that's going down that front stretch. Other than that red truck, Kyla, and that purple truck.
Watford hearing that Dr. Pepper's on the line, keeping it clean, keeping it tight, rubber side down, pointed in the right direction. Oh no, Massey makes a mistake. That's going to give Swafford some much needed breathing room as he continues on. Oh no, Swafford makes a mistake over the VB double. Massey capitalizes and takes over that top spot. Swafford says, okay, game on. Yeah, we've got Heffler pulling out to the top spot, closely followed by Stephen Chen as those two battle it out for the top spot. Stephen Chen forcing an issue, takes over the top spot, coming around to the inside, saw a gap and said, I'm gonna go ahead and take this, sir. Maurice in the 3, Sergio in the 4, Jackson holding down that 5, Sosing 6, Leighton 7, John 8, Tyler Wiggins in the 9, and Chris Sleeper in the 10. Oh no, Stephen Chen rolls it over.